So this video is for solving systems by substitution. This is video 2 of 3 videos, solving a system of linear equations by substitution, and this is the medium level example. So again, there are the 5 steps that you need to work with. So you're going to solve the system 2x plus y is equal to 5, and then y is equal to x minus 4. Now, given the fact that not both of these are equal to y, we're going to use substitution in a slightly different way. So your first step is to make sure that you have at least one of the 2 equations solved for a variable, and we do. The second one is solved for y, because it's y equals. The second step is to substitute that given equation into the other. What I mean by this is you're going to replace the y in the first equation with the x minus 4 from the second. So that would give us 2x plus x minus 4 is equal to 5. Again, this is a substitution where you're using y in order to substitute the second into the first. From here, you can remove your parentheses, or if there was a negative, you would distribute it. Combine like terms, 3x minus 4 is equal to 5, and then proceed to solve for x. Once you have x, you can bring it back up and plug it into one of the 2 equations. It doesn't matter which one. So I'm going to plug it into the second one because it's pre-set up nicely. So y is equal to 3 minus 4, so y is equal to negative 1. And then the final step, as always, will be to write your answer as an ordered pair, x comma y, so 3 comma negative 1. You may want to go up and verify these and check them to make sure that they both work. If you plug in 3, you get negative 1 for the second equation, but does it work for the first? So 2 times negative 1 plus, hold on, can't seem to plug it in correctly. 2 times 3 plus a negative 1 is equal to 5. That's 6 minus 1 is equal to 5. 5 is equal to 5, so it checks for sure. So again, the key to this is the steps. The first step is to make sure one equation is solved for one variable, and in this case our second equation was solved for y. Step 2 is to substitute that equation that's already pre-solved into the other. So we use the y's to do so. And you'll notice again the y is removed and it's replaced using parentheses with what it was equal to in the second equation. Step 3 is to solve for the remaining variable, so all we have left is an x. So we solved for x. And then from there, take x, plug it back into one of the 2 equations, it doesn't matter which one, solve, we got negative 1, and then lastly, you write your answer as an ordered pair. I know that's a lot of steps and a lot of work, but try to keep it all nice and linear and make sure that you are following all of them. So the u-try you're going to use is x is equal to 2y minus 4, and then x plus 8y is equal to 16. Do not let this equation fool you. It is pre-solved, you have x equals, so therefore you are okay to go straight into substitution. It does not have to be y equals in order to use this type of formula. This is the end of the video. There's one more left.